with Desert Fabworks here in Fort Mohave, Arizona, and I want to talk about this steel building project we just finished for our business. We had been looking for a solution for a long time to take and move our business into something a lot bigger and expand, and looked at all the different options. We looked at stick-built type buildings, we looked at concrete masonry block, and then we looked at steel buildings, and overall the steel building was a lot less expensive, and we were able to get a lot more customization than we could with the other options out there. And when it came to selecting the steel building we're going with, we took and looked at a few options. There's turnkey solutions. There's 3 different companies in our area that we looked at turnkey solutions with, and to take and have them do everything from start to finish, from the dirt work to the final construction. And we were shocked by the prices. We thought they'd be a lot more affordable, but we started looking around at going direct with the steel building manufacturers. And that's where we took and found Gable Steel. And Gable Steel is the one that manufactured this. We took and got quotes from about 5 other companies, and Gable Steel was by far the best price of all the companies, and the customer service from Gable was phenomenal. It really made them stand out amongst the other companies. The quality, where we made sure we compared apples to apples, the thickness of the steel, this is all red iron, great quality. There was no difference in quality. The customer service was phenomenal, like I said, and we're super happy with what we got from Gable Steel. And they were the best price, so it was really a great package from them. And when we looked at doing it, basically being the subcontractor for this project, with hiring in the concrete company, having somebody come up and put it up, and then purchasing the building from Gable Steel, we came out almost half of what the turnkey companies were pricing us at, and that really blew us away. And so if you're thinking about doing a steel building, I really encourage you to take a look at that option. Contact Gable Steel and look at doing it kind of a la carte, and finding the concrete person for you and finding somebody to put it up. And like I said, we saved 50% over what it would have been to have somebody come in and do it. I took videos all along through this project, and got some kind of step-by-step. So let's take a look at the process where we started out, and then take a look at the final product that we got. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy.